Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with hashtag Artism Journal Prompts 2024, hosted by Life with Patti. So just put that hashtag in and you can see all these wonderful ladies that are creating. And I'm on week 6, which is Valentine's page. Boom. So I got background paper of hearts, and then I had these little papers that you see right here. They're actually have a to and from. I don't know where I ever got them. I've had them for years. So I just covered up the to and from and put it down as my base. And as you see, a bunch of Dollar Tree stickers and stickers that I have. We got love up here, be mine. Got the little gnomes in the truck here. Got the mailbox sending out some letters on this side. On this side, you got love here and some bouquets and popping in to say Happy Valentine's Day. You got the little gnomes in the truck, and it says just the two of us. And then you got the gnomies here, and it says this is love. This says have a Valentine's Day that pops with fun for you. And for you here, and just all these little hearts. It's a fun page. And I got little bears with hearts. Look at little couples right there. Another little bear right here. So cute. Me and Scott, my husband and I don't celebrate Valentine's Day. I mean, a lot of people get and do dinner and hoopla and flowers. We don't do it because me and Scott celebrate our love every day of the month and year. One special day doesn't count to us in our lives. So he'll probably be working and I'll be home by myself. So maybe I'll go live and celebrate Valentine's with all you. So I want to thank you guys for coming in and watching these layouts. I have one more and I'm caught up, because this is week 6, if I didn't mention it. And everybody's on week 7. So I want to thank you for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.